we did congruent triangles. What do you know about congruent triangles?
They're congruent.
What makes them congruent?
They have equal sides.
They have congruent sides and they have what? Congruent angles. So all angles are congruent, all sides are congruent. Yes? Today we're going to use similarity. Similarity resembles congruence, but it's not the same. Okay? I am going to highlight a little bit in our notes. So we're going to do similar triangles.
We need highlighters today. Video.
It's up to you. Probably, yeah. What? Can I add a text? Yeah. Alright, similar triangles. There are two characteristics you must know. All angles are congruent, but sides are proportional. Angles are congruent, but sides are proportional, which means we set up a ratio. Ratio means a what?
Scale.
Ratio means a what? What's an F?
Starts with the what?
An F. The things you hate. Fractions. Okay, ready? Let's draw our picture. Draw it this color. right, so looking at this picture right here, I have triangle A, B, and C, and I have triangle D, E, and F. So what I want to say is I'm telling you that right now we're going to prove similarity, like these are going to be similar, okay? So we need to state that all angles are congruent first, so we're going to say congruent angles first. Congruent angles, so let's make a list. So what are congruent angles going to be? Angle A is going to be congruent to what, do you think? Good. And angle E, B, sorry, is going to be congruent to angle? And angle C is congruent to angle? Good. Congruent, congruent, congruent. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good? We good? Okay. Now, sides are proportional. What side do you think is going to go first? A and B. So side AB is going to be proportional to what side? D and E. Got it? Now, similar triangles are proportional. That means every time I set up a side, AB and DE, right? Let's say I pick another side, CA and then what? FD, right? They're always going to be equal to each other. So whatever this fraction is going to be equal to my next one. But if I go from AB and DE, I'm going to go where? BC over EF. And then I go where? CA over FD. Good. All three of these will end up being congruent, not congruent, sorry, equal. Do you understand? So if I get AB over DE to be 1 over 2, this one should be what? 1 over 2. And this one should be 1 over 2. Because if they're all equal to each other, that means the numbers are the same. Do you understand? They might not look the same when I first plug them in, but if I reduce, they should be the same at the end. All right? If I said AB and D over DE is 1 over 2, then this has to be what? And this one has to be what? Okay. That's all I said. Yeah. Uh-huh. All right, let's write our similarity statement. Our similarity statement is going to say triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF. This sign here is our similar sign. And this is our similarity statement. Question? You good? Questions? Understand what's going on? Angles are congruent. Sides are proportional. Angles are congruent. Sides are proportional. You need to know that. Not like yesterday where sides and angles were exactly congruent. Okay? You now have proportionality. Okay. Examples. First example. I'm going to give you the similarity statement. I'm going to say that triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. Understood? Good question. Good question. Okay? I want you to try on your own what we just did at the top. I've already written the similarity statement, so you don't need to do that, but you do need to follow the similarity statement. Okay? Oops. Check with someone next to you if you think you have the answer. Oh, thanks. Why don't you say the sentence? You're special. You guys are special. Why didn't you say it? Which sentence? What's the... Okay, we can do that too. Ready? Tell me when. Get the door. Thank you. Alex. Make sure you go. It's free food. That's always a highlight. I don't know about you, but free food, yes. All right, ready? What do we know? Let's do congruent angles. Go. Angle D is congruent to angle A. Wonderful. D is congruent to A.
Angle E is congruent to
Good.
C.
Hold on. E to B. And then angle C is congruent to angle C. Why are those congruent?
Oh, because they're, both,
Try.
are, two triangles.
How about it starts with a V?
Vertex.
Vertical angles. Angle C is a vertical angle, yes? Okay. Those are my three, yes? Okay, now let's do sides. Let's do proportional sides. What are they?
DE.
DE over
EAB.
AB equals
EC.
EC over,
BC.
good, which equals?
CE over CA.
Wonderful.
Okay.
Good? Questions? Comments? We're going to do one now with numbers. Just remember this. These three have to be what to each other? Equal. Got it? So let's throw numbers in. Prove they're similar. So it's almost a question. Are they similar? Usually what they do is they'll put a question mark here to say, are they similar? But I put it at the end. Like I'm asking, is it similar?
You have to do the angle thing.
Yes, you always have to do the angle thing.
We always have to do the what?
Angle thing? You okay there? Check with someone next to you, see if you have the same thing. Maybe if you didn't finish, you should be able to check.
Angle D is congruent to angle A.
It has to be angle D is congruent to angle A.
Oh. It's like 35. Oh.
I'll say. Congruent angles are what?
Angle D is congruent to angle A.
Mm-hmm.
Angle EB is congruent to
Angle B.
I don't know. Angle F is congruent to angle C.
Good. So these are together, and these are together, and these together. Yeah, that's fine. All right, we good? All right. Proportional sides. Now, we're not going to put them next to each other because we want to see if they're all equal. So what's the first side going to be? DE over AB. Does it matter that it's DE over AB? Yes, it does. Can I have AB over DE? No.
So is the first time you want that A is?
I have to follow what? What the similarity statement says. Remember yesterday you had to follow the congruent statement?
Yeah.
You're doing the same thing. You have to follow the similarity statement. I don't care that this triangle's first. I have to go based off of this. Understood? Okay. Because what happens is it messes it up when we start to solve tomorrow. Okay? Alright, so DE over AB is what? 35 over 25, which we always like to reduce to be what? 7 over 5. Good? Okay. I hope that all of the next two will be what? 7 over 5. Because on the other side, I said all three of them had to be what? The same. So now the next side, we went from DE. Went from here and here, so where are we going to go? EF over BC. What's EF? 28 over 20, which is 7 over 5. Oops. Check. Check. We're really hoping this works. We hope the next one also gives us what? 7 over 5. What's the next one? F D over CA, which is 42 over 30, which reduces to 7 over 5. Guess what? Are they similar? Yes, they are. Yep. Listen.
Wow, that was way harder than... No, that was way easier.
Yeah. Angles are congruent, sides are proportional. Angles are congruent, sides are proportional, you are similar. Understood. Okay, let's do another one. I'm not going to give you the similarity statement or ask because I want you to determine how to break it up. Yeah, hold on. Give me 1 second, por favor. My question is, what do you think the first thing is going to be?
Find the triangles.
What?
Find the triangle.
You only see one triangle? There's two. So what's the first thing you're going to do? Separate them.
Where do you see the
Where do you see the second one?
The big one?
Oh.
1,
I'm away from
2. 1, 2.
I'm gonna fail this. I can't even find 2 triangles.
Yeah, it's a no.
Finish
Good
that
thing
statement.
I wasn't the only one. Elena got something.
I'm scared. Okay. Okay, keep going. Yeah, scare me, y'all. Shh.
That's D. Or is it 0?
It's an O. So none of the above? You okay there?
I think I did this one.
Who wants to do the proportional?
I think my second.
Side, or you want to start down there?
Do I want you to do, yeah, you can do it all.
Oh, same thing?
Same thing as last one, guys.
Percentage? Quick question, you know how you said, last time you gave us the, including the ABC, and that's the order, how do we find out what's the order first?
You have to know the order. This one's easy. Why?
That's the question, I don't know how to find the order, that's the problem.
What's your first triangle?
I'm gonna say the big one, right? The biggest.
I wrote it small, so let's go small triangle. What's your small triangle?
What is it?
OMP.
POM? OMP.
And what's your big triangle?
That's LMN.
Okay, this one doesn't necessarily, if I don't give you the similarity, you don't have to follow a path, but this one you can follow an easy path. Why? They both have same what? M. So no matter what, I might want to start with angle what? M. Now this one, I didn't tell you to go from little to big or big to little. You get to pick which way you go as long as you prove it's similar or not similar.
Wait, so it has to start with M?
I would start with M. Because I know that's the same angle no matter what.
Well, because I did LMN and then OMP.
Okay, I just usually start with M. Because I know that's the similarity. I start with what I know.
So MLN and MLB.
I'm going to start with M.
Yeah, so I did MLN and then MLB. No.
Oh, yeah, you can do that.
Did you say MLN or MN?
Doesn't matter. As long as you follow the same path that you're going to do. Why? Come on. I'll have to do it. What length is MO so I can put it in my triangle?
20.
20. What is OP? 18. What's PM? 12. LM? LN? And last one? Okay. All right, I'm going to say for congruent angles, I'm going to say that angle M is congruent to angle M. I'm going to say angle O is congruent to angle L. And angle P is congruent to angle N. Yes? Okay, as long as yours are in some sort of order, you'll be fine. Okay, now your sides. You must follow whatever order you said. This is the order you follow for your sides. Understood? So on mine, I'm going to say that MO over ML is what? 20 over 42. What does 20 over 42 reduce to be? 10 over 21. So I hope the next one is what? 10 over 21. So the next one is OP over LN. What's OP? 18 over 30, which reduces to what? 3 over 5. Is it the same? No. So guess what?
They're not.
Not similar triangles. Nope.
So we find that they're two more similar, we don't do the third one?
Right, what are you going to keep going for? They're not similar. Because why are they not similar? Sides are not proportional. Sides are not proportional. Good? Summary.